that 15x on a wheel, and let's check it out. What we have. Woo!
Pretty tasty. Now I think any win is going to be good. Ooh, that
15x Topslot, guys. 1,000.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
And Dalu, nice top wins. Favorite game, favorite bonus is cash income flip time. Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. I like that bonus game as well. Good luck to everybody. And betting time is closed. Wishing you the best. We got a crazy time, 5x top slot right now. How tall are you, Robina? I'm 1.73 meters. Hey, hey, hey! Woo! Let's go, baby! Now we're talking. Crazy time, 5x top slot. Ooh! We were waiting for this one. Let's get it. It's about time. And we got a top slot as well. 5x, you guys. So, let's add the 5x to the whole wheel. Let's multiply everything. And wishing you the best. So, first things first, though, decide which team you want to go for. Team green, blue, or yellow. Banana team, blueberry team, grape team. Okay, guys, you ready? The max multi this time is 500x, so let's get it! Good luck! Okay, well, we got 50x for blue, 250x for yellow, and it's a double for green, baby. Guys, let's hope for the best. 1000x max multi. Let's get it. Good luck. No. No way. What? Oh my, what? Oh my sweet penguin. What is this? Wait a second. The max multi now is a 2000x green team. Let's get it.
This is the amount of money issued, 818,376 euros.
100x for the green this time. Congratulations. Welcome back. Damn. So close, but hey.
all right. Who is the next host? I actually don't know, man. Like I said, I don't know who I'm working with today. All right, but we are hitting the crazy time. We're working with crazy time today, though. Sheesh. All right. Yeah, we got crazy time. Reno it is. Let's go. What? Woo! A little sneeze, guys, right? I'm allergic to bonuses. What? All right. Sorry, guys. I didn't take my pills. All right. Here we go again. All right. Choose your flapper, baby. Green, blue, yellow. 3 colors. You pick yours. My bro cooked. All right. We were cooking and we cooked. All right. Let's see what we're cooking, though. All right. Welcome to Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen, right? All right. 100x on top. Banzai. Here we go. All right. Can we cook something good over here, guys? Yes or no? What are you guys thinking? Anything good? All right, well, the blue one's not that great, though, 10x. But the yellow one's chilling with the 50. Not bad for the yellows, for sure, for sure. All right, let's see what the greens are all about. Grove Street with the double. 200x is on podium. So, you never know. All right, let's see what that green is about, though. Ooh, green is cooking. Another double. All right. Hey, double on a double. Don't mind me if I do. All right. Let him cook, baby. Let him cook. All right, another one. Top multi 400x now, guys. All right, let's see. What is this green about, huh? Another double. Chee! Double and a double and a double. Okay. All right. Another one. Hey, let's go. All right, what do you got? 600. What is the 800x? All right. 800x on top. All right. Can we get a nice triple digit? Come on.
This is the amount of money issued, 500,985 euros.
Honestly, a solid one. 400x for the green. All right, 537 winners, everybody. 400x in the green. Cheese. All right, the green tea wins, right?
Each three winners, and as ever, 7 is being now in betting time. So please do your preparations for the next round. If you wish to participate, newcomers, hey, marvelous to meet each and every single one of you. Join the conversation, hit autoplay, sit back, relax. You already know, whatever it might be, your idea son. And good luck. So next on the cash hands. Yes, Nella, exactly. That is how it went. Do you love me? Well, I love being right here with you. Does that count? Well, what do we see? To the cash hunt we go. Cash hunt on the wheel, so ladies and gentlemen, we gotta go to the cash hunt. And this time we do not come here empty-handed. We're bringing along 7x multiplier. Oh yes, ladies and gentlemen, let's see. Where's our friend? Well, here it comes. 7x multiplier applying to all of the multipliers here. And now it possibly might be as that 700x. So this sounds very exciting, ladies and gentlemen. Beforehand, we have to do some shuffling while that is happening. Sit back, relax, enjoy the process. Perhaps already start to prefer mentally and physically for the task that awaits you. And now, well, speaking of the said task, you gotta determine which icon could possibly be that 700x, the highest multiplier. Nobody but you. The decision is right into your own hands. If you're feeling undecided, you can go for the auto pick option, but at the same time, the decision...
This is the amount of money issued, 619,720 euros.
There, and also there as well, and there as well.
Now open. Biggest today is 12,500 on cash hunt. Hey, look at that. For Chingo 7X, where are you? You are right over here. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Yes, you can. Pachinko with a 7x. Let's have some fun, everyone. So let's go for the 5. We'll just chase the bats. 7, 15, 20, 25, 45, 300 to the double. That's everything by 7. Woo! The multipliers looking good. The stakes are so high. There's so much potential. The highest win is 1,400 for this pachinko. Ooh, let's go! And you can get even higher with the double. I'm scared. I'm excited. I'm nervous. Give us a big win, a big win.
This is the amount of money issued, 377,578 euros.
Okay, so the bets going for place bets. Topslot are saved the churro. So 350 as that pachinko. Not bad. Cash hunt. Please.
Come on. Oh, no way. Gotcha. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, 100x is the highest. 15x Topslot, guys. 1,000. Oh my days. 1,500x is the highest. No way. I did not expect this to happen, but I don't mind it, guys. 1,500x, the highest multiplier. Go for a hunt. Auto pick is also available for you. Oh, well, I mean, there are a lot of good multipliers over there, but there's only one 1,500x.
This is the amount of money issued for 180,000 to 160 euros.
Oh, it was on the right side. 36 of you got 1,500x. TC659 got the 1,500x. Oh my days. Oh my day.
Just because, like, what if we get a crazy time before I leave? Or a cash in with 15x? You know, need some achievements on my name. There's no way. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we got a cash in with 15x. Well, ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to the cash hunt once more. Where this time, it's not a basic cash hunt, we also have a 15x on it. So the board is going to look pretty tasty. Now I think any win is going to be good. Ooh, that does look good. Okay, let's start the carousel. The max multiplier right now is 1,500x. I think there's only one, but there's a few good ones as well. So it's going to be your job to get them. Carousel is now finished. Decision time is open. Pick the perfect shot. Come on. We both know you can get the 1,500x. We both know you can get it. Decision time is...
This is the amount of money issued, 252,165 euros.
Oh, I do see it. Right next to me. Well, let's get back to the wheel. I'll talk about it then.
Round winners in the rounds. Congratulations to you, my dear players. And now let's go to the next round and let's see what we will get. Hi, Dina, I follow you. I love having followers. I love having followers. Dying. Did you change to city from FT? Yes, Bazhan. I was in another game. I'm now in this one. Oh, 50x on crazy time. Where's slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Stop, 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 stop. Oh, what? You guys, is this for real? Is this for real? Whoa! Let's go. Woo! Welcome, welcome, welcome everyone to our amazing crazy time bonus round. You guys, we brought something magical from the Topslot, I'm telling you. Woo! Let's put that 15x on a wheel and let's check it out what we have. Woo! Oh, I love it. I am so excited. You guys, and now it's time to pick one of three floppers. We got a green one, we got a blue one, and we also got a yellow one. So let's go. 1,500 is the biggest one. Come on. Woo!
This is the amount of money issued, 553,300 euros.
750 for the green, 300 blue, 375 for the yellow. You guys, woo, almost almost 3,000 round winners. Congratulations.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.